Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix common errors in LinkedIn. If you want to fix common errors in LinkedIn app, you'll need to follow these simple steps. First thing first, you could go with a basic check. That is, you could close the running or background running application completely. Just like this, hold on to your side button and then restart your device. That might be able to solve your issue. Next, you could also try checking your internet connection. Sometimes it could be due to the poor connectivity. So swipe down from the top of the page and then go to the network or internet. Long press on it and then make sure to restart your Wi-Fi on your device, and at the same time restart a router or a modem. That might also be able to fix. If that's not the case, you could also try cleaning your cache as well as data. For that, you want to long press the application, click on the app info icon, and you want to go to storage and cache. So click on clear cache and this should be able to fix your issue. Now if nothing works out, then you know the drill. That is, you can simply update or maybe reinstall the app to the latest version by going to your respective app store and at the same time restart your device, and that should definitely help you out. So these are some of the ways you could do, or these are some of the ways you could fix. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.